This thing's heavier than my ex. What's going on, Snapchat? Welcome back. See Snapchat. What's up, YouTube? How's it going? We are back. We are back. Back with another banger. A freaking banger for real. Inside, pull, smack, and drop. As you can tell by the title of this freaking video, we have some precious freaking cargo. Hold on, this thing's heavier than my ex. But we got a nice package from Move. This is our precision bumper. Shout out to Move. So freaking awesome. I love you guys for real. Y'all are a bunch of stand-up people, and yeah, everybody should be hitting the link in the bio and buying a Move bumper today because they are freaking amazing. The quality is top-notch. Family-owned company, and they just produce some of the most bad-ass bumpers in my personal opinion. I've been wanting one since I was in high school, y'all, and I finally got one. Let me get inside, y'all, because I'm freaking dying over here in this heat, okay? Let me get this bumper inside, and then we'll talk. That was easy. All right, so this side up, as you can see, let's unbox this or demolish it, one or the other, whichever comes first. Woo! Spaghetti noodles. Melted. Oh my god. This shit is freaking awesome. This is what giving birth feels like. Now this is some top-notch packaging, Move. This is some good stuff. Hey, quick pause real quick. Just like I said before, y'all, look at the customer service with this company, y'all. No, not many people do it like them, alright? Yeah, signed signature from each team member. And congratulating you on getting the Move bumper, okay? Click that link in the description and go get you a freaking Move product, please. It'd make me happy. You run out your bags for some deer hunting, you just use that sucker right there. Man, this thing even comes with a corn sack. Alright guys, mind the mess, but instructions seem fairly simple. Basically these are your generic pictures that you're going to be looking at while installing this to be referenced by, and these are basically the instructions. So first and foremost, this kit is designed to be I'm about to take the bumper off, but it's designed to be put on the truck first and prepped and go about it while you're welding it. So we're going to put the center frame piece on. We got to put the frame mounts on first, and then we're going to be tacking that to the frame. And then after that, you can have these side pieces right here. These are going to be your sides. You're going to tack those, align the gaps accordingly. Alright, so like I was saying before, we have the main piece. Taking off the bumper real quick. Then you have the frame mounts, okay? You're going to use these frame mounts to put on the truck first. Put that up against the truck. Tack into position. Then you have your wings and then your outer wings right here. And then last and final step basically is installing those lights and then the tow hook mounts. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't gotta do without problem. Then that ass be poking up, them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame hurt. The bumper's off. Hey, Papa! Alright, now that the bumper's off, you're gonna be getting these two freaky looking things, put them together, and making a mount for this right here. This is your frame rail mount. So it's gonna be these pieces right here. Don't be, you know, getting discouraged when you can't figure out what's what. So obviously just look at the pictures. Everything is in the pictures. Especially pay attention to these notches right here. So the notched ones are on the inside, okay? So that's where these are gonna be. Just flip it around in your mind, you know? So the notched ones are gonna be on the inside. You're gonna put them together like so. Make sure you grind down the edges like they say, so you have a good weld. And then essentially, this is gonna go like that, and you'll see exactly how in a second.
Clip, they can never catch me slipping every time your girl around. She be watch the way I'm.
All right, now that we have our frame mounts like bullcrap bolted up, we're gonna tack them, and then we're gonna put the bumper up here, the middle plate. All right, boys and girls, got the welder hooked up. It's getting late, but we got a light out here, so that's good. How I was telling you, take the tow hooks out. I don't know if I told you that, but I took them out. You have to leave them in because you use the pre-existing, these tow hooks are threaded. So you use the pre-existing holes to line up these. Man, ain't nothing hit harder than Grandma's teeth. Or a guy named Tarkavius in prison. That's about the only thing that hit harder than Grandma's teeth. Come on. Boy. Alright everybody, we got the frame mounts tacked. We got the bolts just loosely in there to have them there. And we have these top ones bolted in for the time being. We're about to get us a nice little edge right here on all these welding points. And then we're going to be putting on the wings on the outside. Alright, after you get your bumper tack, take the grill back off so you can see what you're doing, obviously. And then we're going to have this little piece right here. And once we have our wing on there, that is going to mate them together. Just like so. And then that's what gives you your raise on the wings. Now that you got your bumper tacked, or your wing, you're going to come over here and see any out of place body lines that you would like to fix before you start taking it off and welding it completely. So we got this end cap right here. You want to put that in for me? See what it looks like. Got it all beveled out, and now we're about to see what the body lines look like with this on there. Let me put a tack on this real quick, and I'll get with you as soon as we get back. Hey, turn me up! Alright, now that you got both your wings on, you're going to want to do this last and final piece before we can take it off and start buttoning everything up. This will be the this angle piece right here to complete the bumper. So, tack this on real quick, and we'll take it off and we'll wet everything up. Alright, now we're going to, before I take everything off, I want to make sure everything is good and set in stone. So, take the grill. Make sure everything fits exactly how it should. Side profile. That looks real symmetrical. Hey, just goes to show, these bumpers are do-it-yourself capable, y'all. All you need is some time on the weekend and some patience to learn something if you haven't learned. MIG welding really isn't that hard. If you want to get into it, just watch a few YouTube videos. There's really nothing to it. You definitely need a bottle of argon though. Without that, it ain't gonna turn out as good as you should have it. But you see it? I don't think that looks too bad, y'all. Pretty good. Woo-wee! That was easy. Common saying I use. But guys, pro tip for you. I actually thought of something. It wasn't in the instructions or anything. But for your toe mounts, since these bolts are threaded and you use these to guide for your frame rail mounts, I just went ahead and got a cutting wheel and sawed that off, because you're not going to use your factory toe mounts anyway, or toe hooks anyway. So I just did that. That way it could clear the frame rail mounts, because it didn't before, and you can bolt them to the thing instead of welding if you're not comfortable welding. Obviously I'm welding everything else, but I think it's a little more symmetrical if you bolt it. So not in the instructions. I don't know if it was intended to be there, but that's what I'm doing. Installing these light fixtures real quick, and then we'll be welding everything up and putting it on the truck. gosh, y'all. But I forgot these light bar mounts. I totally overlooked where they were. It is what it is. But I'm gonna put them on later on. It's looking so good, man. Once again, shout out to Move, man. Use Itzhamm, code Itzhamm, ITZHAMM, to save you $25 off of anything over $495. I think you should use that code. What is going on? It is the next day. We got some sunlight out here today, but the bumper is looking amazing, y'all. The only thing I didn't record me doing is installing these light pods right here, and it's kind of simple. In the box, once you have the bumper all boxed up, you'll see the exact way they go. It'll contour to the end of the bumper, you know? See how it has that and that? That's exactly how it goes. Quite simple. Overall, obviously it's not finished yet. I have to get it painted. If paint is gonna be a little more expensive or they can't match it properly, I'm probably just gonna have to bite the bullet and wait for black powder coat. But other than that, the fitment is amazing. Right here on the sides, that is amazing. Everything is very even. As you saw when I had the tape measure and stuff, I measured from the center of the grill out, and then when these weren't here, I measured on top of this into the middle of that, and everything came out great. I have a few more things to do. I have to weld the light bar mounts on from the inside. I totally forgot about those. But other than that, looks amazing. I couldn't be more happy with it. If you know anybody who needs a Move bumper, use code Itzhamm, ITZHAMM, to save $25 off your order for $495 or more. So I think that's a good deal as well. You know, $25 is $25. But I'm gonna get some clips for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. And without further ado, here is the truck.